Welcome back to another crypto video. What's good everyone? I hope you're doing awesome. Thanks for jumping back into another Jacob Crypto Bury video. Today we're going to check out Aave because we've got V3 on the horizon. So this news is absolutely smashingly bullish, and I think it's going to have an exponentially whopping awesome surge catalysm on the price, and that didn't even make sense because I'm that excited. Right, so launch of V3 is basically coming soon, and it's going to be on the Avalanche C system. So we're going to jump into a bit of news on that, and I can also show you the website. So if you want to do a bit of research yourself, you should definitely do so. And before we do hop into this, please do make sure you smash that subscribe button, leave a like, leave a comment down below, and also you're all very welcome to join the Discord channel. As you can see, we're about 70 people strong right now, and we've got more and more people joining every day, so do check that out in the description below because I'd love to see you all there. So we can see everybody probably should know about the V3 launch now. As you can see, it's going to be on the Avalanche C chain, and some of the highlights to really look at is users on the Avalanche C chain now has more than 1.5 million unique addresses, and nearly 800,000 unique active users. Total value locked is more than $5 billion, has been bridged from Ethereum on the Aave bridge, with the TVL on the Avalanche C chain surpassing $10 billion, making it the fourth largest blockchain by TVL. Decentralization, of course, transaction volume will also be going up. More transactions is awesome, and you can see even the smart contract deployers on the C chain, and hundreds of dApps. So it's like loads of good things to be excited about for Aave. So yes, the price has been in a bit of a lull and things have been moving down, but it's not necessarily a problem for the long-term growth opportunity of this amazing DeFi lending protocol project. So you can see here, deployment strategy. The Avalanche Foundation will continue to incentivize Aave V3 through Avalanche Rush and focus on a safe migration from Aave V2 to V3. So pretty awesome news. And if you want to find more news like this, just go over to the Aave website and have a look through some of their different forums and their blog posts, and you're going to see all this very transparent stuff where you have the developers replying and such. So that's really nice to see. Another bit of awesome news is the first cross-chain governance proposal passes on Aave. So it's a major step forward in multi-chain governance systems, said the team at Aave. And here is the news report. So we can see the tweet. The first cross-chain governance proposal has successfully updated the Aave Polygon market. This proposal from Aave Gotchi is a major step forward in multi-chain governance systems. New assets listed include Ghost, BAL, CRV, DPI Chainlink, and Sushi. And that's really cool. So this is another real bullish piece of news, guys, for Aave. So we're going to check out the price now, and before we do that, please do consider becoming a patron. I wanted to thank my patrons actually very much, Mub, Peter, Alp, Cara, Jordan, for the continued support. They did receive their ebooks, which they enjoyed thoroughly, and if you want to do that, it's just the price of a coffee. You can find that down in the description below. You'll be mentioned every video, and you'll also have exclusive one-on-one messaging and much more. So let's hop into those charts. So basically we have consolidation now. We had that symmetrical triangle, but we retested the support at £124. However, we broke, we got rejected on the resistance here. We retested, and then we also got a bounce, and we're chasing that resistance level at £124 again. We're still underextended on the 20-day moving average on this daily time frame, and we're still lacking that volume. But I think it's pretty nice to see that we have kind of changed this symmetrical triangle into more of a a channel. It looks like we've got a bit of a rising channel on the go, and this is really nice consolidation, accumulation potentially, and that's why I'm getting excited. I think we're going to see ourselves coming back into this big descending wedge. As we can see here, the price has just corrected so hard now from the previous swing high. We're already down 66%, so we're in those areas where you'd expect to see a bounce, because I'd like to see Aave back at $300 plus £243 in the next at least 3 months, and I think it's very likely with the big news and the big updates that we have coming out for Aave in the future. So this is potentially a good dollar cost average opportunity for the traders out there. Potentially we're going to get a breakthrough 1, 2, 3, and we might see a nice impulse up to 155. So there's a potential long there if we do break through with nice volume and we break through this resistance at 124, I think it's quite likely that we're going to see a big pump to the upside. So of course we're putting through the higher lows, support, and we've got that big key resistance area that we need to break through in order to see that continuation of the price, which I think, you know, again, it's quite likely, but we do need to see the rest of the market go up. We need to see that strength so we can pull the price of Aave up with it. And, you know, Ethereum, when that usually pumps, we usually see a nice reflection of that in the Aave price too. So I think, you know, there's a couple of hurdles along the way. Of course, we had a lot of consolidation here. So this is actually another resistance area around the 140 level about here. But I think it's very likely that we will break through this 124 level in the next few days or so. So keep your eyes out on that. But just do keep in mind that it is very possible that we come back down to a support level. So wait for the retest. If we see the breakout, don't just jump on it. Wait for the retest. And then you can potentially place that long position once you're feeling confident with your stop losses in place. So I'd be waiting for something that looks like this. We come up, we retest the support, then we see the continuation to the upside. And on the contrary, you know, we might retest here, get rejected, and actually come back down, and you know, you're seeing lower price levels once again. So I think on this situation, on this occasion, we're going to see a pump to the upside, and you know, I'm very excited to see that because Aave is a fantastic project, and that's what I'm thinking. So if we go to that 30-minute time frame, you know, massive green candles, looks really strong. We're back over that 20-day moving average, and we're at a key resistance level where we're getting consolidation right now. For the short timer frame, you can see that we're getting some nice bullish movement. It almost looks like a bull flag, and I think, you know, we're likely to see a breakout to the upside of this particular pattern. It looks like a bull flag, and if you take that flagpole, measure the length, it does actually take us through that resistance. So this could be the one, guys. This could be the one. Keep an eye on that bull flag on the 30-minute time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, keep an eye on this massive channel that we're trading in. Big range there. And of course, on the daily time frame, we'll be looking out for these Fibonacci extension resistance zones to be targeted. And right now we have busted through the first one at 0.236. So hopefully we're going to see that uptrend and take profit at each resistance level on that extension. So it looks really good. I hope you enjoyed the video as well, guys. As you can see here, Aave 2.2 billion market cap, and you know, on that 24-hour, we're up a whopping 8.7%. So it looks really juicy. So if you're new here, do make sure you subscribe to the channel. Leave a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, let me know what you're investing in. I'd love to know how your day was, and just say hi. You know, I don't bite, I'm a real person. I wonder if you guys are sometimes, because nobody is ever commenting. So yeah, make sure you subscribe to the channel, join the Discord, and leave a comment down below. Do those 3 things, that'd be really cool, and I appreciate that, guys. So see you on the next one.